Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting guide for you on how to view public tags from your activity log on Facebook. It's a great way to explore the posts where you've been tagged and stay connected with your friends. Let's dive right in. If you haven't already, make sure to download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply go to the Play Store and type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the white F logo on a white background, tap on it, and then hit the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in with your Facebook credentials. Great! Now that you're signed in, let's find the option to view public tags from your activity log within the app. On the top right side of your screen, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to proceed. Perfect! Now, within the settings, scroll down until you see the Your Activity section. Tap on it to access your activity log. Excellent. Within your activity log, look for the blue icon labeled Public Tags. Tap on it to view all the public posts where you've been tagged. And there you have it. By tapping on the Public Tags icon, you can easily explore the public posts where you've been tagged, keeping you connected with your friends and the content they share. That wraps up today's guide on how to view public tags from your activity log on Facebook. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.